We'll guide you through how to use Markdown in VS Code, making your text formatting tasks a breeze. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop and ensure you have the latest version for the best features and compatibility. Next, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar. In the search box, type Markdown and install the Markdown all-in-one extension. This extension provides several powerful features like shortcuts and improved preview options. Once installed, open a new file by clicking on File, then New File, and save it with a .md extension, which stands for Markdown. Now, you can begin writing your Markdown content. Use the preview feature to see how your Markdown will look when rendered. You can do this by clicking on the little magnifying glass icon at the top right, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or CMD+Shift+V on Mac. This opens a side-by-side view so you can see your changes in real time. To enhance your workflow, familiarize yourself with some handy keyboard shortcuts. For example, use Ctrl+B for bold text or Ctrl+I for italic text. When you're working on a larger Markdown project, you might want to divide your document into sections with headers. Simply use the hashtag symbol to create headers. For example, one hashtag for a main header, two hashtags for a subheader, and so on. If you want to create lists, use asterisks for bullet points or numbers followed by a period for numbered lists. Once you're happy with your Markdown document, you can also export it as a PDF or HTML. Go to the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or CMD+Shift+P on Mac. Type Export and select your desired format. This is incredibly useful for sharing your documents in a more polished format. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.